Why do so many spiritual seekers feel disconnected? There's a lot going on in our world today that might make you feel unsteady. Checking in with your body, your energy system, and how you are feeling in your mental, emotional body is always an important practice in self-awareness. The following information will help you to be as centered as possible, no matter what is going on around you. Let's talk about grounding through the root chakra. Your root chakra, also known as the Muladhara, in Sanskrit is the foundation of your chakra system or energy centers. The root governs your legs, feet, tailbone, adrenal glands, and lower digestive organs. When balanced, it keeps you feeling stable, secure, and grounded. But when it's out of balance, you can feel anxious, unsafe, spacey, disconnected, and even worry about your finances. So how does the root chakra become unbalanced? Fear, worry, trauma, neglect, not getting your needs met as a child, and abuse are some causes. Past lifetimes suffering from extreme poverty or even past life injuries to the lower region of the body can leave lasting psychic imprints and cause present-day imbalances. Physical reasons for imbalances include eating disorders, lower back problems, urinary, kidney, or digestive issues. So, how do you support it? There are many ways. You can walk in nature, practice yoga, use earthing mats, and even dance. You can also cook your meals at home and include root veggies and the spices black pepper, clove, cinnamon, rosemary, and ginger. Wear red or earthy tones and use affirmations such as, I am safe, I am independent, I am secure in my being. You can also anoint your feet and lower spine with essential oils like patchouli, vetiver, cedarwood, sandalwood, or frankincense. Be sure to properly dilute your essential oils with a carrier oil before applying it to the skin. You can use crystals like red garnet, ruby, red jasper, bloodstone, and black onyx for extra balance. Keep them near your body, for example in your pocket like a gratitude stone. Wear them on jewelry or place them on your altar to meditate on their energies. Crystals are like little computers that need to be programmed with our intentions. Be sure to connect with your crystal and ask it to help you with your goals. Create a grounding altar with red or brown candles and items that remind you of your intention of having a healthy root chakra, and meditate on it daily by envisioning a bright ruby red ball of energy spinning in a clockwise direction at your lower spine or pelvic region. By using these tools and creating a daily practice, you will unlock stability, security, feeling present in your life, and more connection to the world around you. Your journey to a balanced root chakra and an improved connection with the element of earth starts now.